Assalamualaikum. Diviraja Bar Council on Intizam Kura Protection Orders and Emergency Protection Orders under the Domestic Violence Act ke lecture ga Barwadanava Emma Befruna Marhaba. Miatu lecture Nangavadevani Bar Council ke Amu member Alustaza Shafia Riza. Alustaza Shafia Riza ki Riza and Co. LLP ke managing partner adi co-founder. Adi Family Legal Clinic ke co-founder adi co-chairperson. Full-time law practice ವಡಗಣ್ಣಮ್ಗೆ ಕೂರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲುಸ್ತಾಜ ಶಫಿಯಾ ವಣಿ ಅಟಾರ್ನಿ ಜನರಲ್ಗೆ ಒಫಿಯುಗೆ ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಗ ದೌಲತಂಗ್ ಹಿದುಮೆ ಕೂರವಾಫಾ ಅದಿ ಮಿ ದಾಯಿರಾ ತವಗ ಕೊಫಾವ ಮಸಕತ್ತಕೊಂ ಕಾನೂನಿ ಲಫಾ ದಿನ್ಮಾಯಿ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಕುರುಮಾ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ರಿಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ಸಾನಿ ಹಗ್ಗುತಂಗ್ ಖಾರಿಜಿ ಗುಳುಂ ಅದಿ ಕಾನೂನ್ ಫರ್ಮಾ ಕುರುಮಾ ಗುಳೆ ತಜುರಿಬಾತ ವಣಿ ಹಿಸ್ಸಾ ಕುರವಾಫಾ එකතුම් ފާގ ކޮށްލެވޭ އެންމެ މުހިމު މަސައްކަތަކީ ދެހަސް ސާދައިން ފެށިގެން ކުރިއަށް ގެންދަވާ ފެމިލީ ލީގަލް ކްލިނިކްގެ މަސައްކަތްތައް މި ކްލިނިކަކީ ގާނޫނީ އެހީތެރިކަން ބޭނުންވާ ފަރާތްތަކަށް އެއްވެސް އުޖޫރޭ ކަނުލާ ގާނޫނީ ހިދުމަތް ފޯރުކޮށްދޭ ކްލިނިކެއް މި ކްލިނިކުން ހާސް ރައްކާތެރިކަން ބޭނުންވާ ގިނަ ފަރާތްތަކަށް ހިދުމަތް ދެމުން ގެންދާއިރު ފެމިލީ ލީގަލް ކްލިނިކަކީ ރާජ්‍යޭގައި އުފެދުނު މިބާވަތުގެ ހިދުމަތް ފޯރުކޮށްދޭ އެންމެ ފުރަތަމަ ކްލިނިކްކަންވެސް ފާގަ ކުރެވެ ಶಫಿಯಾ ಕಾನೂನಿ ದಾಯರಂ ಕಿಯವಾ ವಿದಾಳುವಡಾಡ್ನೆವಿ ಲಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಅದಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಲೋ ಹೆದ್ದೆವಿ ಸಿಂಗಪೂರ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅದಿ ಹಮ ಮಿಯಾಯಕು ಶಫಿಯಾ ವಣಿ ಫ್ರೆಚರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಸಿ ಆಫ್ ಟಫ್ಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಕಿಯವಾ ವಿದಾಳುವಡಾಡ್ನವಾಫಾ ಮೀಸಾಬುಂ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಲುಸ್ತಾಜ ಶಫಿಯಾ ರಿಜಾಯಂ ಹವಾಲ್ ಕೊಲ್ಲಾಣ ಶುಕ್ರಿಯಾ
شكرا تو معيشة دكتور تتعرف قدامي.
هذا شفيع.
Thank you, nice to meet you. Assalamualaikum. Kena tahu ria beflo. Me one-sided ko dati that to I wanted to make it interactive. Umid kurang ria beflo mes hal rangal kama me to session also me focus kolani rakater krumge amura rakater krumge avas ane amura bule goto. Do I have co-hosting? Maisha.
Ade me are nan co-host Devifa.
Okay. I'm alwan ane me screen share kolana. Tenga so me Korea dairuga ebiskala burning swalen ovechi kama varnama me komme subtopica kum swalta nagamun devidane then chat ka ne liwafa on swalta what I will do is me nimalafa me swalta ka me jawab dena then asalgon beno ni komisar ka informal kollam me dekeve vaata bawatunna me and especially misal ka mikal sessions ane tampala rangala daani mas informal ko session ingiya karnenge me kuduko basmagu debas evvegen daane me eves eche me hipul nukraban kamargan and then now I'll share my screen together. So mainly lecture Kurivasene are focus colony protection orders and emergency protection orders me Gavashina Hotum Ganda Shongane Payan Kodifawa. The lecture outline comments Varaka me summary and all Ganawalana. Me Furta Mideni and introduction me Ganun na Tarafed Dinumuge Kuring Asuhalata me Ganuna Ananjam Sababdaka me Commissar Alialawalam Benome. Then FO Asu Argan Benum be Himana Alang Adi and me invitation the subtopics ka Himani Fanen Namaves Varam Muhimu Baikama Arganda Fenna Tive a Mifa the Masa Takuga Garni Lafa Dinunga Kuring Comhemves me ane follow Kuran Furiama Kuram Fenna Kama Muhimu by Fiavarta Ami ඒ ෂෙයා කළුමකි මුහිම කමකම දෙකේ තිබේ ඒ වාහක කොමිසර් කදක්කාලාන then FO බලාලාන රකතරුම් අමුල් not protection orders me hingani kihinetto then FO me komisarka kiyaldena rakatilkum amura ane rakatilkum awas amura mi detiga huri tafatu then ane dawlatuge mi zimmata survivors then alwan men amuko mi so ane social mi term ek gotuga miharu mi beenum kurani survivors ingeto mi aniya libe farataka mi victims e bus ane mihar wara use nukure bodam asu empowering barwer kurumge gotun survivors mi terminology mi beenum kuraveni then mihin dannawar algon beenum ve faakolan ane gewashena hutum gaanunga wara gina ham ane mi edi deepona term ki misaka gewashena aga shikare kawwa miha ane mi asu e lafzu gas ebule karne mi gender perspective kumbalaru mi masale misaka shikara ekavum shikara e lafzu ebarne connote ko dedatto mi ane comments warege mi eka victimize me power imbalance etan kole ane inhuman goten ane although mikahal gina masata ki asula insani amaltake ega himene kankan eme bodwaru genda masata ekam I think ane mi balanced eme tone balance ko mi aniya live fara e gota language ane gengulu makiris wara muhimu karnege and human rights ka asumi baha bahurubaya ibarakta ki exatu ga muhimu kame digen ane mi hama consciously choose kura language ehma ane eves hama komisaraka mi hama fashairu ga highlight kollam beno then ane invitation ga himani for nennamas mi arwan beenum ve fa tolla mi reform hur areas taki ko bato e because mi ganu nan ebeche by reforms again so furtama mi ham halat balalana I know we always hear me commentina kung engang henaki ahane mi aniya libe anghenake ane mi statistics mi rajyega ves adi globally ves mi oi statistics emme border statistics collect kure for mi hunnani anghenum emme ginang mikala masata report kuratibe firehenunna geveshi gulunge tereng aniya nulibeni kino ekam report kura nispe baramadu ane and also mi duniyage gina mujtamata hingani patriarchal usul taka watibe patriarchal usul taki zaman sure mujtamauga is daure game fish ke misaka verikama hame bias hama firihenu ada kuramunda tibe eyanna imbalance ke sababu firihenu libe mi takole mati haisiyate emma mi patriarchal structures mi hunnani nizam ta bes pattam lefa ehem viayaki ges anghenum mikal aniya eba mi ginan tahammal kuranche he mi ad report ves eba kurani ginan anghenum so mi statistics ke beenuma ki adi mi hagige kamuga ingunas mi inge komme faharaku asu and to appreciate me the fact that me war bod masaleka and algon men komme mi heggeves ane mi farudi gotum kommes enhaisi atakum kommes ek capacity akum eba jehe kan haluta ke hoda den mikal kam tahammal kurami haka so 1 in 3 women akinen he rani ni ane komme tinakun en anghena ka enage hayatu ge kommes en hisabe ka mi jismani not jinsi aniya eba tahammal kuranche mi gina faharak mi tahammal kuram mi jeni mikal aniya intimate partner ek faratu intimate partner ki misal ka vedan rattivegen ule miha not indegen ule mihaya ane so ane statistics und akkagatu komme noanghenu ko engangenaki enage intimate partner ge faratu aniya libe bay so rajyeg abadus mimasal hure this is not the first time mi fahakan asenu mi wahaka mi mi masal tam mi olani kiye ekam mi fahakun as befana fenwadana mi slide on wes mi report kuradat ginavech media reporting ane ginavech mi wahaka dakka war ginavech ekam mi masale ki zaman sures rajyega onna masale like any other society so ane mi geveshi aniya libekan eba inge ane aili gulunga tereng ane kommes ekegge kibaga onna barege sababum e baru ge nufuz no haggu gotuga not najais beenume ane kurumattaka not hingumattaka eba ane farat ge machan e bar ta beenum kurave so asu ane I think there has no hisabu kanne movement facility to geveshi aniya ane denaganna geveshi aniya ki violence ek gotuga eba recognize kuranche kan rajyega e geveshi gulumu mi ufede aniya to geveshi gulumakum perpetrate kura violence domestic violence got kunot geveshi aniya got raj balaganna then devanakam ki mi aniya libe faraktakam eba jehekan khas rakkaterikame dawlatunna adi ganunuge tereng for kotten so ane mi adi mi aniya kura mi hunnaki ane mujtamauga ulen jehen be ulenbes eba jehe efeme jemi mujtama alum reintegrate kurumatta ka rehabilitate eba kuran jeheka a need war boda denage so waragina anemi then waragina no eru then emme harakatteri jamia taka me by raithung masjid ke member una adi several individual lawyers begging me war boda lobby kurumuge natija එක වෙගෙන්ගේ අසු me bilegge sifaga miliyevigen dio then me bilu fast and font tasdik ko kanuna ka vegenge has barwana so gevesheniya hutum ganun gazette kuri iruga mi hamawara avaha commentary shay kuri then family protection authority ke website was penibada nawani mi commentary is actually it's a very good tool I think rajya gina ganun taka commentary hadam pene e ganun kiyafa ganun understand wara mi fase have commentary hada fothima commentary wara safu ko ebe inge me special protection law ekka so the question is legally balaro me what are special protection laws special protection laws ki me hasa nizam take me deni me ufaddani no ta hasa process take me create kurani me aamu ijratum ane ijrat ke tereng emi huna relief not redress hoda demiga badal ka khas ijrat ko relief not redress hoda deno so me Rajya Barifa Wasido ane emua hadaya align kuram mege hadafawa me eta ganun e burimsaka haibaraka ganun me haibaraka ganun naki me ganun ga sunna special protection procedures take misalaka ane me kudinna jinsi ane aniya kurami huna me hasusulun amal kurum ga ganun jinsi pushga ganun geveshaniya hotum ganun me jinsi furasar kuruma me gona kurum hotum ga ganun gender equality ganun me kala me ganun ta me they have me special redress not relief mechanisms and status service they ema me ganun kiyanjene asumi ane faga kul special protection ane rule ge usul ge me matin ka alwan gabbo pura then ege iturun geveshi aniya huttum ge ganun ki aswara pada social protection nizame ege dashun gaim begen dia ganune ema muli gevesheniya huttum ge ganun tanfiz ko implement ko me hingato me ane bottlenecks ta rangalu kuram begen mikura huriha assessment and nota analysis service hadanje ani ane social protection engalakum to benefit ege survivors
waiting
adiveto me marabada candidate tolagondeba Maisha I have 10 chat reactions oh okay Artisaf all right so okay I'll carry on without the we don't have the best of internet unfortunately me of you me okay so I hope I have made it clear me special protection law kama milo balan jehani also social protection engalakunka where is this next okay so geveshaniya hotunge ganun dalume ingresin kiyaru mite den acronym kolla ingeto PDVA ki Prevention of Domestic Violence Act so me get translation and adi me bavat hengaron taka translation taka kiga lexicon ke higa FLC ke website ka me lipen honnan kandan wala me fursatta so geveshaniya hotum gange key features ki furtan makamka me lay down koddani kobakan geveshi gurunta ki and kobakan geveshaniya ga amalta ki then me set koddani social protection nizame me ane ega reporting features take bur report kuranje gotta ke buri ni ijtimai hidmat takin e bur misal ka psychosocial support ane ganuni hi terekam ane health service support ane sihi hi terekam for kodino ane daud ka macha lazim kofa then protection measures la fe bur misal ka ege main feature ya begotu me we'll be talking about a protection orders ege tun rakha terekumge markaz take gawaka dakka e protection angle ko nibalani then preventative measures huttu mettaka ala fiyawartaka besapur misalaka public awareness increase kuruma ane mi zimmatake muassasataga machamati kofa perpetrators aniya kurami rehabilitate kurumge zimmatake ege iturum muli ganunu mi create kura system regulate kuran monitor ko balahattane and system is able create kofa a family protection authority mi ganda shongane ufedigenya so asu ganune balairuga mi e thematic asu ganune ge mi honnani deba gatto futam kamaki mi eg subject matter no the substantive elements of the law then we have any administrative mechanisms that me deba kan abadu bill not legislative bills me honani pattam me deba me the component himene so ane you will learn in time if you are not very familiar with it but in time you will learn ganun takiyamunda waraka komme ganun kumes innane debay midanawa substantive baya midanawa administrative baya so administrative ba belima warabodan ingene me egen create kurami nizam ki ko bato a structure me onnani kineto and I think it's very important for lawyers to understand ehen ganun kiyang ego then commissary system ge overview en algondene ingeto just because you will be helping that now or even in future misalaka gevashaniya libe mihaka mi masala ge halle hodade redress hodade so misalaka male nama ingeto male nama ek amale inge mihako ebeje report kura ekan dimawa miha besne ane e mihaka report kureven gender ministry ya nuata police ingeto ane gender ministry kura reports takuga ane jinaya amale himenekam awanam 80 forward kurana police ane kura amale mi madani amale himenekam awanam plus jinaya amale vs incident hingi kam police service forward kurana ane gender ministry they have a portal ane mikala cases ta ane simultaneously fpahara real time ga belene kota hospital taka best misal kami kudani hospital da iruga doctor mi ingeni ane mi emiha mehri aniya kofaka ane ehme jikama wanama hospital taka macha sebe zimai report kora sorry report kora hama mi zimma menani police report kora so me reporting ge ba ane mi furtama ane devana column on feni wadana ane then misalaka rakkaterkum ge amure beenuwa kama wanama asu ministry ya police ebajehe ane mi ane rakkaterkum ge amure file kuram is ehi tirbe then rakkaterkum ge amure hoda demis maseke kura then ane adi capacities ane gaimbe fane tima mi gavadu kurave masekaten but ganun tasavur kura ane ganun go egotunama mi function with boy then one other important thing is asumi ganun medical legal report me recognize ane kure medical legal report ki aniya libe halatakuga mi hospitalum me tayar kurane report for the purposes of adducing it as evidence to court ingata so me medical legal report ka misaka poliham husheli aniya ko genjismani not agency aniya ko gen masale emecha polihum asukuranjena kamaki miganunda shunnama me geveshi gulumako aniya libonnama emiha goyaga misaka malege nama IGMH danjana IGMH ki nane dedicated unit e mikan kurang ane a family protection unit ki ane FPU ge muazzafe ge haziruga me trauma expert and hospital balani astu efa me medically balani efa buri koi then ega macha bina kon hadan medical legal report and polihon deni to the court disclose kurani then me report me geveshana utum gaanunda shum onna gotunnama ane asu meechika excess nueve me aniya libe me haya e because the authority in tayar kura report evima so ane when I was helping gender ministry ane me kudakudin hagguta gaanunda shum gavattan hada hedi iruga because ege saka kudakudin jinsi no jismani aniya aila veteren ko gennuane egota so egavadu hedi iruga what we have done is basically medical legal report right access umge right libeneye ane aniya libe miha kujjaya shay kujjaga parents unna ayasu sidraka begennuane me erum eka medical legal report ko bunani misaka meveni kankame fuduhum kurashe misaka forensic hadashe ane me ekala buying expertise maseketta hawal ko foedane kan nukofiamu eba case an asaru kure emeje emihun jawabdari kurumatta a medical legal report ko engumaki ani alibum mi haya me waram muhimu eche so having said that I will move on to Malifiava ani and Rashka vejja kena towane misaka hama kurimbe senai fadan hama masalage ani aniyage amalinge hama komme mi report kuramane then komme atole gamunna gender ministry ge me sub officers take family insurance service centers ge ani ane me so FCFS report kuravidane then health center en anna komme cases asu jehene ane me ane recognize kof report then masala ulekama vani adives hospital takunna health center takun ane geweshiyaniyage masala report kurumuga then vedane denaganna recognize kuran neengeni kamves mi asu aniya vegene miyanne namko miha gosu bunane vettuni tanakonu atoligen misaka mi istir kuraniko istirja honi yede ekam mi seasoned doctor vejiyamo experienced doctor vejiya ingene asu mi annani ane mi aniyage halat kunkan em ekala masalata ane denaganna ingene ekam we have received information me reporting varadashe hospital and health centers involved iruga then ane rashekena mami launch any magistrate court masala so legal advice tinumge kuring ane comments what I think me follow kura muhimmu by steps tange bahutte FLC ga maybe because we take what a social service oriented approach a service thing ane but ane we don't think emme responsible gote ei ane aniya libigen gula mihaya ena huri halatu nubala enage faratum rakkatirkumge amure kotalla lafiya eba inge en anikavis aniya risk ka vettene kan ehmegen bara muhimu asu survivor ya adi survivor ge belunga dashka huri dependence saka kudinna huri risk taga ki ko bato belum lawyers are trained to think reasonably. That the mere reasonable judgment and hadam mijeni. We are not social workers, but we can still have a reasonable judgment. Me ane commissar calculate kuravan kane risk ta me ane huri ane gota egin emmi furane sha hashigana nurakka tirwane risk ebahurito so misalaka risk analysis hedumaki buying indicators miheri ham just example aladi so these are some indicators and main indicators that we also follow so risk identify kurumatika one thing you can do is maybe you can identify risk furtam kampa maybe you should bodily harm jismani aniya or the furane nurakka warage aniya lividane to self harm kurunga risk ebotto me ginafara me geveshi aniya komme bavatege geveshi aniya libunas eya ekiga ham nafsani aniya tahammal wamundane me emotional abuse and psychological abuse intertwined uriha bavatege geveshi aniya as intertwined wasabaki geveshi aniya amuko milibeni itubar huri magame huri miheke farato evara love and trust on a relationship ko milibeni so obviously it will have a lot of psychological and emotional impact on the person ema self harm of faneto me mental health situation huri kihinetto me ei bara muhimu ech balan especially because dakka wahaken ingene as a client ko as dakka wahaken you will know me eti assess kura then proximity of risk asu miha risk ki enagaga thelum kama wanama e thala miha abadu aadavegen uleni ge teregato. This is very important way basic and to identify. Then me risk dena ganna iruga warammu mukamengi ane also to identify at the same time kiha warege familial support system ekto emiha ge oti familial and other support system ki misalaka me strong me ane support system e aila ge teren libeto not rahmat teren ebetibito me enige situation ga ene support system e gota provide koddene. These are very important questions to ask us though. So what thinking he kurani misalaka me client gaga thalani ane me e thala miha uleni enage me ane kega then kina to hadani hemvechiyamo me you don't run with it though ane emma protection order me file kuram because protection order file coffee aige notice dipena dawa ane libe farata bes ehma hisabu anekka masra mane masrahu gose anekka aniya eba ginave hamala eba ginave. So you try to work as with the client alternative avenues of residence uritom saka ene uleni hentaka me ane me devi daneto enige family me karige ene hurevi daneto me ane and also gender ministry ya gulagem saaf kurum ane malumat saaf kurum warangal also FCS is a gulagem malumat saaf kurum warangal me ane konkal protection services taketto ekanta galibeng huri. I have many issues with me concept. Ingeka for reform ge bag I will highlight more on that. Me issues ki go back. Ekam me then exercise ki I think something that we should follow because mikahala masal tauga legal advice kuraruga we have a very high degree of duty of care to make sure that kura kamakum and legal redress hoda naga actionakum itura client not survivor harms way nurakkaluge maga nulavekan kashavaluko. So gevesheniya ge masal tauga me which I find very different ingehama Reganda Duala and different like being a corporate lawyer and Mikaela Maswatoga lawyer because the kind of attention you have to give and the detail and the kind of support you have to give is very big and heavy aso me dairaga and ekahala me aso me expectation and me expectation is not the right word but ekahala duty of care and onna kama me shafia gabu kore sawaki because me survivors between very vulnerable position nega oftentimes they don't have people to support them and embes gotten native gain for miti beni so ekamul system guri huriha options ka safety ya security ya me huriha se me bala for me then for client ke best interest ka work kuran try kurumaki to the best possible extent you can is the bare minimum karnenge that we can do and mikala situations over. So having said that I will move on. Okay, so asu me huriha me deki huriha wahake summary ekinge aso iskame denjeni survivor ya ekiga work kurashe to remove an imminent harm aso me survivor ge environment um enia me libe so aso test ki very simple test me ane UNICEF guidelines tawgaves me kudukudinge masaw tawgaves inna test ki me do aso point ki kujja nuwata anghe miha etanum remove kurumennondo me ane miha enu remove kuranchen. I'll be discussing more about this fahum at the end of the lecture. Asu remove kurancheni risk asu remove kurancheni harm emi honna hore. So me test ki asu survivor yang able to ane situation control kuran nuwata manage kuran enage amilla standing nuwata emahal gule ehen aili member ke ehi terikamuga aso me buna test ki aso me this is not written geveshena how to ganon get don't me take me wrong but this is in practice how me ekala me social service ties into legal service. So ane rakkatirkum ge amur masekke kura goy tabegutum kuredium kuring. Eves burning swal evet eves before again. Just I'll take a few questions ane 5 minutes. Okay. I'll check the chat box. Yes, we can get the slides. Okay, then I'll proceed in the interest of time and the this weekend for me. So me and before I go into substantive parts and me subtopic gadasho me kana faratun si fenwadana wani asu anyone know him cover coffin article me apparently this is the first case of protection order Rajage, where a woman was abused by a husband for 21 years. Okay. Rakkatirkumge amor how does it work? So Rakkatirkumge amoruge me point ki basically court mideni special relief aniyadibe mi hona me asuden civil relief basically geveshanya hotum ganunga geveshanya amalta kama bank of february board list bahama various actions and baikal ki astu jinaya amal kawana is baikal ki hama civil actions awana kanga me එහෙම ගානුන් තසවර් කුරණී අසෝ මේ ජිනායි අමල වෙච්චයාමු හම ජිනායි අනේ රූටුන් හේතු ජිනායි මසල ගොත්ක බලා කුරියද්දා දෙන් මදනි මසලතව ගහම මදනි මසල එහා සාෆෙන ඔස ගානුන් එංගල් ගේ but අනේ මේ silent වාතිවේ I think there is no reason why one can't pursue me salaka me civil mane case against it but milibe relief ki me the special redress ki komme bawatege masle vies rakkatirkumge amuren eba hode kota gosken kotu mi kura kamaki me bunani meveni kankame nukurashe nuwata meveni kankame kurashe ei as rakkatirkumge amurtage order tawga mi amurtage language hunna kotaki so how it works is misalaka miha ko aniyalibe kama wanama not ene aniyalibe biru hi wanama a threat or kama wanama me risk or kama wanama you can go to the court and ask for protection order with debawata mulani and emergency avasamure then not normal and rakkatirkumge amurta so ane normal rakkatirkumge amurege ane dashunda iruga me and usually what would you do is misalka aniya ko fatala for me and farala for ofiha gula for halela of office kurma changa sa halela for darin kurmati halela from the dar mika kantake vara hamba mi kurani vara duas vande nota and me duas novias as aniya I just wanted to make it clear so it doesn't matter edho kuris aniya ki aniya for purposes but still mikala case ko me ulani ehme you would go and tell the court meena mihira kankame kure ehme enaya me kankame kurum ane uttuwa denu hedeme unima courtun ane nerena amure misalka jismani ane adinuma ofia gosa faruma ofia gula halelawma darin kurmati ane akurma halelawma mikanka huttala shekuruma na kurame me then ane eti work wang inna gotaki asu a breach vejyamu eti mi badal vendani jinai kushaka me because you're violating a court order basically eveja breach wa situation ga me ane you'll be arrested and you will also be persecuted me ane jal hukum elbe then tin farek ane eka furtam far kuranya me saka jal hukum enot jurmana devan faras jal hukum enot jurmana then timana fara ever itura takrar wa me fara same formula me mane me rakkatirkumge amurakan ede iruga varam ane me eganun ga ebure bara rangal by features afan saka by kalahasa conditions takedage me ane let's say misalaka access contact access me haro me bakivege me ulani ekam ku ge dor machan asala dawani hama ge abbas wannani kommesta kon talawala kollagin ge wannani mika kanta me kurani me vejja muamala manakurum sharut takelle ridane misalaka darien hunnati me huriha kame me dari becomes the excuse to do this ehem vejja amun ane you ane कोर्ट के देविदान तिमन्ना के हुद्दा के मातिंग तिमन्ना उन्ना इरे दरिया बदलपुर आदे वेनी तिमन्ना हुद्दा दीगे नूनी मिवनी गाड़िये का मिवनी तुहे का नूनी तेंगे आकर्षण आदे वेने ये मिहा क्लियरली कंडीशंस तक लेआउट पूरे विधान है मी एग्गे उड़े हालत का it's very difficult अपन गांव में स्पोनेफा एटी apply and वाने ये which is why we need मिगानो हिंगुमट्टा का eheng systems miganum tasawwur kura which is safe shelters and protection services aslo then ane ituru special conditions kotka misalaka ane mi diruleni gate dakkam ane edevidane mi egaterega mi kota kureven kankamaki just to make sure that e aniya kura miha amura ekota amur kureto me can ask me ane deposit a barton court ka deposit ane breach of your court deposit libe gota e just ekami just to and for put commissary kami to ensure like compliance with the court order ek ituru misaka kulidakkan je kala situation ek horej kama wana male tanamas kama bala for kulidakko mabes ane amul kurave kudin tibinama mi halonat ke situation ufame for nama mi kudin halonat ane givaguti amuraka ves edevene then fasa ge badal ves naga deve then mi fasa ge badal ge mata hai ki hum one just subsection me it doesn't really detail anything much but misal ka libe gellun tawge badal money and damages ko ka recover kurave halat tawga you can ask the court a recover kurang me komme kahala amuren nerunas rakkatirkum gamuren nerunas by kahala me and deemed conditions ta kengure misal ka let's say me amura medeni stop kurati social media ka stop of social media ga zati photo ta ane me anonymous accounting hadagen jahage me huriya content ane gannati be amura me asumine then it stop doing this ves kadi kiya fada ekamaku ekahala amure gaves deemed conditions ta kenge bahore ashavi sanamata gunagutunama me deemed conditions taki komme abavate gamura nerunas jismani not jinsi aniya ko gennuwane jismani not jinsi aniya ko fankam ke birudakka gennuwane me ane me ladu gannawa ene ladu gannana for the not afsani aniya libene fada kantata ves mukure vene so me aso me ega me deemed conditions ane use kuraven halat ki misal ka me bunika social media situation eka kotu nerede rakkatirkumge amuru ane neredi ovva then as mikura kamaki relax ken getere hadala aimis kofa talagana nigaga ane ekala halte ena so deemed condition ege breach ve hembe je amumis rakkatirkum gamura hilafi kama pelle vene then ane POA rakkatirkum amurega me substantive elements mi hunani hama mi kotu mi brani baki kame kuran notan kura me when I first saw me and the fourth rakkatirkum gamura me I also thought mi kongala the actually me maybe any this is open for interview but I was thinking like mi kongala me and ibarat kenge dem me like what kame kuran notan kuran but me system design for me egota राज्य असु राज्य कहाला गांव में वया एमएमएस कैरी गोले देवेने मा दुरथाने मोती किनो गेगे 30 फुट पूरे अने मी कैरिंग एस्के नो अने नर गेगे 30 फुट तेरे इन द फान रेड वेव एंड व्हाट एडीके हॉस्पिटल नो तो कम एहन जरूरी बेड़ में का वर्णन छे काताने so asu protection orders ehin gaum tawga me living a benefit wa odaka asu राज्य ganudi be and we need to find newer ways asu protection order akitangole implement kuravene kahala echka hedumattaka rakkatirkumga amure kotu nereden kota fenna muddata asu ni kotu nereden eka maximum 1 year meantane then me rakkatirkumga amuru neredini ma asu miharu kotum bagutu notify kuran police sha gender ministry sha and FBA sha e amurge copy fonwane so me ge beenumaki e mihaya libi for e mihar ane aniya ane libu miha survivor libu for protection order breach coffee ena nuje hene prove ko deka fulu honna massa report kuran gula eruga timmanna etuga bote rakkatirkum amure neredifa kuring when we started 2014 ga emiha report kurar mi jeheni ege physical hard copy itage emme carry full of hadda so wara me ane lobby me lobby again. This has been finally changed. And मैं फुदर का मी I think few years वेदान करने के मी उन्हें कोर्ट हूँ auto mode को मी मुआससा तका मी amur hissa pura konde at least family kotum kure that we are very sure of me so aso survivor oriented ane system e vejjayamo aso survivor e kotum relief e denima then ena nujhen aso kama be huriya mosata ke carrier ka da ka timanna mi ane mi survivor ke timanna mi protect ko di pura mi ke timanna retrega mi han protection radwa for a breach ko mi kanta ke kura kashan nujhen misal kami ke similar misal ki family court wariwa miha ekhani meri mang elements peenuwa kama wanama ena mijeheni asu inspire proof kodden ene ki vulnerable mihekka in the sense that ena jeheni courtum e wariga form hodagen inspire na ena jeheni enage dariye school goleto ane proof kodden school city allagen principal ge city en tanda this is not how a system should work mihenu ane vulnerable miha ki vulnerable miha kan proof kodden chen how I can give rajya kan narwana gabu karani because the system is designed like in such a way ekam system asu work kuran chen in favor of vulnerable halat kurin mihona. So I'm happy to note right now, me PO situation at least we have seen improvements. Violations angam aso ganun gawar safi baratum. Misal ka aniya hinga yaga mulanya school hunna itana gossa emi hakomi ane ekishige was sabab to gamacha bina ko fa higher kuravidane nota geveshania gerakatil kum gamore violate ko fiamu me higher kuravidane plus energy nai proceedings singane mihim bayan ko for others also in practice it's very hard me to prove these things because ekashigem wa ane mi amu jinai ane mi masatok hekige mingandu honna gota mi hekige mingandu bengule tive it's very hard me to prove as misal mi muamala kurum bana kura sharta hilafa gang as wadafa halalawa fa gosi hai mi statement ekam veg ekam become prove kodden a violation ek gota it's still very hard and I'll tell you why at the end of the me ane reform ge waka that karu kiwe genka then rakatil kum amure hama me gossa misala ka social media ge stalk rani me ne anonymous account hadagen me already me hin adi waka dekyakas you will not get it you have to have evidence and this is again a failure of the system and this me failure am boda fenani avas amurtawge masotawga me I think you will be aware eheng misalaka ane me special protection laws ga rajya ge sebu recognize kofa ek aniya libe mihai ki competent witness ekama eba ganon kandala de me asu mi ganon danna mafomeno ane aniya libe miha as a competent witness ehen nuwati de miwa gotiki ane buna point komme aniya gamale proof kodden komiskal hegite ke bahushananje ekam phenonomy heavies ekam domi heavies ekam adoyomi heavies or like paperwork like medical report like photos like screenshots so aslo emme goda relief benuma miha kotuge ehi benuma miha ya asu ehi nulibide mi gota mi ganon structure kore fotima so misal ka mi avasamurge situation ga avasamur me neradeni imminent threat or harm otima plus me normal rakatilkum gamure gota me proceedings kuregen gosia defra bankogen kuregen gosiamo e elapswa waguta hedigen ane me aniya libe me ha ituru nurakal mushari dana tive me onneni ane rakatilkum avasamure neradevena baru difa kota mihin onne irus ebajehe substantiate kodden heki FLC ge experience ka ane avas rakatilkum avasamur li duwaho ham amure neradini emme masaleg me 7 years me wane emme masaleg asu client very smart client doctor gosa hore client medical ane me prescription slipping hoda foi client photo naga for enage aga thalagan fanusa gan for tanta so e huri hachika ekiga kushe hedima asu eduwaha we got ane rakatilkum avasamure as opposed to rakatilkum ge me amor rakatilkum avasamur ge duration ki 3 months then ane 3 months terege ek batil no kofiamu ek then 1 year ane Then Tafataka Bala Iruga, I hope I have not missed because it's very bad mega Honda but I think I've covered the basics and me. Sorry, 1 second. And next, okay. So asu me rakatirikum gambar rakatirikum avasamurga tafatiki asu hale me if there's imminent threat to an life body and risking oikamawana me and that's a good ground and rakatirikum avasamurga ex parte hearings conduct proceedings conduct kuravena kota then kofave sebure emisal fennam sebure family court then Mudda also Misal Kavas and Amore is 3 months and Rakatakum Gamare is 1 month. Those are key distinguishing features. Then also me Avas Samoreto Rakatakum the ordinary Amorakato Edeni. It is a judgment call depending on the facts of the case. So Misalaka. And if you think a client cannot survive reportedly not a life-threatening harm vedana imminence of course you should apply an avasamuraka and ekam anikaves etimi pahata hinga because you need commissaric evidence to substantiate your case and me so me aso and halaki I think I'll be speaking more about it. Me, Geveshana, Tungarna, and Vijay Baikala, me reforms can to make it easier as survivors, me home, not court to live in jail relief and live within a Then on state responsibilities, because I told you, right, me, as a special protection law, okay, and me as a board social protection system, as me violence mihon salame kurumaki state sinmae. Okay, so me mizimma eb adem sakane international working obligations like ICCPR, not the CEDAW belly numbers, not me cat belly numbers. You will find violence me right to salame kurumaki as a dawlat ke sinmae and human rights. As a human rights angle ko miganta balanchani so violence mihun salame kurar dawlat ke zimma menani think human rights are basically to protect promote and fulfill dawlat ke obligations me interestingly convention against torture gedashum geveshiania ge amautam huttuam me dawlatum fail vejjiyam e belevene kama cat ke committee ge observations kandala February 8 keta hilaf bekama me salaka me so hema internationally bes me vara strongly geveshania ge masataka ever regard kure then geveshania hutum gandashum asu dawtka macha munani protection care and social service protection ki asu rakka terikurum safeguard kurung himayat dinamas rakkater kurum mi genesa mioneni ham one of the key features ki rakkater kurum yamur and avasamur then rakkater kurum ge mi system in the sense safe shelters plus me police and assistance for kodi gen halat bala hawazan kong arrest ko perpetrator halat remove ko me got protection care is given gender ministry asha and also boda modest poly sorry me harkenchen kibehi de photo mata basically kiaga mi emi hai benuwa me aga me psychosocial support and also me na huri safe situation ekato me beluma me mikankan e bade then social service gota misala kan e bade misaka masala kuriyat dambi boy ganoni hiterikam for kodino doctor dekko doctor an ekani udeve me ekama panama ena ko agen doctor gane gostino mikala bar kantaken e bahimene so there are various responsibilities of the state me heta geveshania libe kan inge hisabum ege terega me buni hen rakkatirikam for kodinuma psychosocial support for kodinuma which is different from nafsani hiterika and also legal support for kodinuma health support for kodinuma and the bare minimum like me dalton kodan chen kan me areas of reform abala iruga Tanko like takurar ko seva ke dekhe kana to survivor ki competent witness se got ka bala. So competent witness ka gum ge maane ki as ena dakka wahaka boradane di ene ki e masala ge heki bas de fude mi he kama mi kafi mi he kam ka bala belo. And already it's recognized, right? Insa ka mi Kurukudina jinsianya kurami ona hasi sudama kurumi garandashun with and sexual offenses garandashun with me emi haku ekiyade waka ene gati manuna kiyade ene relations taka ene counselor ene teacher anota ene co-worker anota ene Aila kiyade waka it's considered as like acceptable forms of evidence. So I think if we have that concept of survivor as a competent witness, mihar mena varagina bottlenecks and remove kuravan then safe shelters and or removal of survivors from familiar environment. Mihara Surakaterikum the Marcus Take Gaim Kura Migaram Tasabar Kure. And the entire idea is Aslo Mimi Hona Anya mi Baikang Anya Libunima, Emi Hong Gengosa mi Rakaterikum the Marcus Take Gabahata. And this is not how it works, the Hengaum Tauga. Misaka Kuda Kujakang Anya Libunim, Ekuda Kuja, Daulat and Nagamikino, Enu approach Kavanjini, harm remove Kuru. Emma Asu as social change, social service go bike as NGOs. We think is the wrong approach. And argument's sake, misaka, me approach Rangalekia for Belly Namu is fine. Zaman takadande. Adigavishania Utungano Nayas. Me approach Gaganaka me. Divisarukaru me game and comisarukaru this. Me come at FCSC, then FCSC, Ere Dere Batalaf, then Ambragi Fonalane. And this concept has not been working as so. Me tebaje flip kura. As to remove Kuranjani, perpetrator. Ena remove ko for Markazega Bartaf, ena anger management nota, ena rehabilitation diva, then ena jani Mustama Amburanere. And not necessarily Hurihakamaki, Jalubukume, me, incarcerate Kollaga Manaka Kantakeno. Sometimes they need rehabilitation, they need tailored focus programs. And but what we know for sure is me Huriha Artake various experience of Balafa. Midarag Masekura ki Jamiyataka Mihara Magabul Preveni system is not working and it's a fair system. Me approach ka vanjeheni and a perpetrator a risk not a harm environment to remove kurunka. Umur dua zamanustre ulamunga gain, not ule boduamunga gain and angemihaya darinanu nerenjeheni ki. And this is a very flawed concept which needs to be addressed here. Rajak, and it's actually doable. Navar FCSC Huna Eruga me a house Kurven by Kala Nizam Taneburi and infrastructure FCSC Takuga. And we think it can be flipped. Rehabilitation there. Kurukura me, Markazaka, send and come level, and it just needs attention and commitment and will and funding. And so and also safe shelters madan lazim kurita miharmi avana harkanega. I think adives safe shelters gotaga safe shelters and name operational lafaka me lockdown tereg FLC and hama varan urgent or important me and cases where hama life threatening situation were, and we were working with gender how to me and find them an alternative place. And emme bodu tashika men asu dima visabaki me lockdown ge kamara rangala usaswe ma the region gavasne safe shelter amaje fire. So this shows how bad the problem is. And safe shelter hadam ulegene nen hedifaye safe shelter ki hame keni endaka gondiyaka kane badige ka fahane ka purumeno safe shelter ka by kulanyam. You have to actually empower them, run programs emihong ane heal kofa mujtama amura dignified lives ulevara me ebache empower kotten. So just furalaka hatarufara jahafa imarate hadis adi mikame nuane. So and the cost was small word to us to safe shelter concept. Okay, so we think for all purposes me concept is outdated, it's not fit in Rajaga, and it has to be done away with. and it needs to be more but a perpetrator rehabilitate kura approach. Perpetrator rehabilitate kuran zimma la febe dehas parwana or fast kuran mi ganunga adi mihatana kanne and perpetrator rehabilitate kurumaka maseketake kurefa. So this speaks a lot of volumes. Me people ane aniya mi kura mi ho mi kurani or a bad sabab da kattaka, and there's no one reason for it. And mihegge uluma visnuma badalkogen noni, you can't change perpetrator into a good person, a good human being. Violence and resort nukuran mihe kanne hede. So we see the failures in the system aswara boda and engalum balayo. Recovery of damages, I think the rules should be more detailed. Me ganuga accessible level kuranje and me gina fahara me hona kanus inge me aso me hona ane edavidana relief ekamal best me ane me gina fahara me ekala miyang edefiyamo iturang aniya itur vedana tives gina me opt out kure e because wara basic for ganun ga me haru recovery of damages ki maada tami unani and geveshi aniya ek gabu from peshives ane kottakum bara duwas vi komo adives we see me magistrate court ga geveshenya ga masate ki aili masate ki kamaga balafa mediate ko fa hal kuramuleta, and that shows us understanding like there is a gap come and that needs to be bridged. And so imagine in that context trying to recover damages and domestic violence and incident in again. It's very far back that of me to even try that ekala and sensitize known environment me justice and access and also we find there are many big overlaps in roles. Also full honda bara baver social and service in matake dise misaka hospital dasha aikiga ane me nafsani hi terekam for kodinuma mihira kankang ebore me hawal kofa as an institution me police while they have victim support me I think me usule gotum balanyamu as the social service hawal ve hunna ministry in and psychosocial support dinong will be perceived better and a public best and a receptiveness aso me marangalwane and experience belina mabes ijtimai khidmat de ministry would be more experienced and a better place to do it. Also misal rakkatetum ge markaz hedun kala ane simmata rehabilitate perpetrator rehabilitate kum kala simmata mere regulator ge machawa of a family protection authority so ane and gender ministry and me daurugaves rakkatetum ge markaz da kan pura markaz da ka for so there's a bit of overlap that needs to be ironed out. What a regulator come on for service functions from us. So me one ministry would be better. Then I've also noticed me survivor oriented approach again me jinai amala himenam demmidane ekala me jinai bamadan investigation and prosecution court proceedings to so timelines taka evidence issues gaya process ke baje wara survivor oriented approach ken kure me misalaka fulun tawgi kura iruga me ane me tawgi bayantan neguma me kandala approach and that has to be more sensitive to the survivor. The timeline should be more critical. Some clear timelines me I know Jina and Ajat Ganda show there is an operation of timelines, but having said that, excuse me. Mikala cases aka asunulibbe me eleventh expediency process kaves ebaje me misalka Fulo masa tawagi ko for PG of your Fonwa Hisabo. When a PG office actually does this very well, me clients do not communicate ko me court ke process ke some inform ko contact base and touch base about this touch banga and ekam as friend of the court ka wanje ni social worker me about this hunnan jena me kala masale prosecution stage and court stage trial stage da iruga friend of court ka vege me social worker hunnan jena me and social worker ke support liben jena wakisa bukon social worker eba system එක picture එක බගෙන්ද and there is no procedural guidelines කානూను තසව්වර පුරා මිකහල cases ka so that is also a bit of a problem then anika me court proceedings kenda even like family court kaves me aniya pura mihaya enhazirega Syariatan anak ke ben men nune bunye sampai begini aniya pura mihaya enhazirega bar babar masal di mawe mi gereshenia ge gina masal ta ki mi hama bar bodati aniya ge masal ta so client destabilize weva mi eba mi client ruler wa masaki pure eba mi trigger we trauma eba induce we so re victimize asuvegin eba de mi system terega because me mihira kankama me jagane thema and I think and UK they did this I think domestic violence issues ka through legislation and enhazirega me kurung lazim ko for no to maduyeddi ane enhazirkan organized shariat hingam modify kotti fane and this is an approach other countries have taken also given ane emium asu bala eme prior eme iskande lens ki victim centered lens ko sorry survivor centered lens ko mol echade tetere ko eme survivor centered approach negumaki mul huriha kamka survivor centered approach nego ane from ane ania report kura hisabun feshkem salaka jinai maslenama ane court nime hisaba bes so I think adi FR bache karne ge mi ane mi ganun na detre devana visma ko visna alafa mihira key issues ka mi rectify kuramule because me amal and survivor get benefit am amal kurave halattoga mosasatako ane accountable kuruwana echenove me and because actually fanati discussion marabodanga use kurima ane me discussion use kura kuru question kuravena koten nove because it's not required under the law so it's a very easy exit ane mosasataka bes me so in light of that accountability and angle I think that's the best way to go on about survivor centered Quran just make clear the rules and responsibilities and mihuriha process then intersectional approach again gulmaki we think baram mukameke me geveshi gulumega huna mihaka edibe ania me Ania libe mi libunga sabung ene borboda vulnerable halataka vetigende mi vulnerable situations ko honna mi hu keri kuran war bar identities come mi yeves keri kuran war bar identities misalaka your identity is determined by the fact for example me your age malegato ane ufambi male nung herashigato ufambi malegato rani male nung herashigato ufambi ane abilities disabilities me your ane me economic situation, financial situation in life. Me huriha kamaki is asumi identities create hura ane me kantata. So depending on your identity, asu ma haluga ma vulnerable haluga vettidane. And intersectional approach ki asumi huriha identities in me hege kibaga munnanaka denagane ganun ta button kuro. So masane for example gevashina utum ganun yes kudda kure kuduku jennama enaga faratum e miha ko ane gevashina agar khater kum gamur ke de vedane ha me gotan nukudum terka munna mihe bes ehem vedane ekam ane baikala me benefits eba libenche ekan kole boda whether emihunaki ane me ane able meto not disable meto ane me disability huna meto me mikankama bala whether they are from a socio-economic background like from an underprivileged background or not whether they are a child or not children act through agency of other people right because they are minors ehma ehuriha identities ka balafa ane epa jehe relief ta denumoga mi kanunun redress denumoga mi hameken apply kura kurunga ennu redress deni kiya asuli be benefit asuli be redress test epa je intersectional approach again so yeah those are my thoughts right now me topic I think that brings us to an end of the lecture if you have any questions I am available thank you Okay, first question I'll go through. Protection order, or can we get the slides? Yes. Protection order and eden jeni ania libe faratun to ania libe mi hakabes ane mi faratun ves ushalene enek faratun gender ministry and ota wakilaka noata mi ane molis police service of some eden rakate programmerka noni emanzur fenna timana faratukum protection order and edu vidanato asu sida ganu non ane mi gan get sida nasu mi punani timana faratakan ane mi එදවිදානී ඒ කුඩුකුජ කවා හාලතුක මත මිකලදින් හොන්න ආනේ මීහ කවා හාලතුක එද එකම මේ ආනේ බයින් හාලතුක වයා මිසාලක the person a naya sida level neti ena hore halatka sabo embe jiamon ekamge enenige maslahat oi me mieka milage kam masla kuriye gengos tife ba hore chat Mission ordering edumo amur neruma fahu gender eves amur sha puraveto. Yes, kotum auto me me kotu amilla istengumo me family kotum at least how me har gala na sha puramunte. One question regarding this. Actually, I missed that Halida. Arun Kaneng was a kong kamakagule kotum kame. You have a question. How do we bring about legal action against a person without any proof? How does one show there is an imminent threat? Is it based on circumstances around the case? How do we draw the line? Draw the line between actual and false accusations. So basically, the chances are, amoko me, of course, Ania, Deni, me. ginami una dakkagane nondo mika kankamaki waras ane mi hona no fana siruko pura kantata ane mi ehem begen ganun aso mi rajyege mi sada surukudena hasa sudamal puragan the sexual offenses act case competent witness got a survivor they because you always believe the survivor first unless proven otherwise a asuminaga mi approach ki because mikala kankamaki siriyatuga mihekan mege gota ane mi mikal kandata kurati ve en gina fahara mi kuna nuti be mikal masota ingaru ekki bas dene nota eki dene so ane commerce form of evidence is an court on require kore nge misal tak mi ka fenun to eti adohi mi hulto screenshot enge betto marala kama biru dekki mi ane gaga tala furejiyam mi har photo e bohurito hospital ka dekkinto mi I photo furejiyam ko mi hospital ka dium ane photo moi manwa dane mi ekam commerce baba dek evidence that the court requires aso then court will and if meene ki aso e mahal gole en takurar ko mikan kurami e vejamu ade for the bar exercise kura wen mi ka veja court to draw kuran mara likely conclusion imminent anekka avas vedane with that about it even if I say this me ha progressive question me adi wisdom ara hame no but by cases it is like I mentioned is progressive madani kotakune evis asu masulenu bala then ani ade be fatu masla kure gende be no one kota masla kure gende me wara me as a difficult situation you know asu ane geveshi aniya hasako and including asu being a gender based violence was me people are in a cycle of violence ke asu me misaka meya do aniya ko fan madan hale vistawa fan anika ekane du saniya ko fan ekam dengannane honeymoon period the where things are okay so we have also observed me halatuga me cycle go ule irugora ondoguane cycle break pura okay maybe faharuga report ko fane help us aha fane but they try ane honeymoon stage at the end often people change their mind as well so and we are lawyers we have to act on the instructions of our clients right but then again there is a duty of care for you to ane kya de me get me consequences are, maybe implications are, and ultimately nimmani client, but still me jinsi aniya me purana genu libyaniya kudukuchika libyaniya vitsiamu we nevertheless report me adi rakkatum gamara me Korea get the bare no. Yes, a disclaimer. We always start me and legal advice, at FLC. So, Hasko Kudukuding issues because Kudukudin they act through agencies of adults, right? And Kudukudin ekal ania libekama one. It's very serious. It has to be reported. Consent and we don't need and we don't have to because Ghana lazim for a report. Kurang endina jamia kohama they do report me. Kudukudinge case ki hama red line they will report me. Okay, having said that, client and masala ambura gennam benuwa kama wanama me. There's really no choice that we can make. And in the sense, and we can always advise against it, but the client will decide. So court marhala goifes amra gennam benu vedane, and we try as intervention and me supervision and hada kada tagging and comsaraka client who halat bala. Also we understand and dima and client who issues because if they're in this cycle of violence, it's very hard to break out of it. Cycle of violence you need a very good family support system or like familial support system. You need to be empowered to a certain extent financially, but empowerment and me. So what about factors align wagging as a client through and through case then polihash hushala for masata kuring and egota me Vitropuram Beno Mahekutta, come Mihara Kue, Hama Gavashiania cases, the West take a very strict approach, they go with it. But also you should understand why they are asking Mimasata Namuranaga, because Ginafara depend like Mihunani. Ania kura miya ekinafara misat angenu report mekurani ene kinafara ania mekurani ene kagani gotu guligan gulen miha kudinge bappa ene ki ginafara amdani hoda me ene ki ginafara provide kodde miha ema there's a lot going on and me sometimes you might not even get kudinang ania kuratam fenunas ane kudim benun wedan hama miga involve waka because for them it's just parents ema me what a rock and a hard place ago ginafara clients with bene. But having said that, me with clienting and me giving yang masala gamma, right? Me counseling help. Eki parallel ko gengo siyamu. We have found hama mi hunna ni ko meveka mihalatum and they proceed with the case. Yeah, those are the questions. At this one, I will hand over to Maisha. Yes, I agree. We need social workers recognized for social workers regular social workers ufatgang need funding and commitment and recognize them as a profession, as a professional funny by Kotuga. And that's one of the key issues as Raj Atole Gamiti Beni Gagana Katemi Hako social workers Kotuga, but they are also not trained. But I've recently heard the current minister is working on Emmanuel Gulligan to develop a professional certificate. Mihar TB and social workers also funny and a certificate we begin Tamrin Wefa to be by Kambahanang, and I think that's a very good move.
අලෝඩ කුරි සවාලේ ජවාබෙන්නාද
ඒ කොන් සවාලත
අලෝඩුගේ සවාලේකි මිහාරුත් මේ ලෙක්චර් හගේගතුක මුහිම්මවනි ගානූනි වකීලුන්නත්ව නුවත ගාසින්නත්ව නුවත දවලතුක මුවස්සසාග මිහුන්නත්ව ඒ මුලි මස්සලාගේ ලෙක්චර් දියකොත බලාරුග වකීලුන්ගේ zimmා යවර මේක බොඩුවනි මේ දවලතුක zimmාදාරු වෙරින්නා නුවත මුවස්සසාතකුග මිහුන් අලවන්නන් කුන් කමිත්තෝ මේක කරන්නේ
I think I think you have said it very well. And Daud Gazima may get a boduani. Then Makilung Gazima me on Kamal gonna Gabu and Mikalania me Masale Dimawa me Gay Kamapanama. Whether I'm going to come at 4 Kodim Goton to be full and key. wakilun kama wative skilled wative e ganuni hitirekam for koddenum aki emme ane rangalu kame emme rangalu ane cause of action kam alwana kabu praveni probono ko bias mi help koddenum sakara kati krum gamure hoda nota avasamure hoda nota masla report kodden
අරුන්ට ගෙබැන් සුවාල අරුන්ට සුවාලක එක කුරින්දකි වාහකයා ගුලිගෙන් මී කුරින් පාග කුරි පහු එහෙන් ගුජ්ජකුස් මිසුවල් කොල්ලාෆ් කන්නගේ මී එක කෝටුතකු අමුරු නගාෆා අනේ පොලිහුන්න ජෙන්ඩාය උනි FCSC තක ෂයා කුරුමා ගොලේ ගොතු then andaki me FCSC ga work kora FCSC ga mihar me work kora and kurin gender ministry ga work of then anne kami kotu rakatere kamge amuru evvesirega menna ka shaya ennu kore kota kun family kota kun ves evves magistrate kota kun ves then anne hama kuri ga kala kuri ga hama hada gota jehni komisar kos me hard copy genda yan demme kam gaanun balala sen egota yanu misfine point inde faane kama me egota inde to shaya kuran kotan anga afa ehme eti aslu me kihinek to miharu e innani balalam wegen
ane aso et ane I understand when that the family court become puraka gige e gender ministry of one FPF one police of one ekam ane arwanka aso सीधा बुरिहा मजिस्ट्रेट कोर्ट में मिकन पूरा का मैं एंगी फाइन ने ए मालूमात लेते फाइन in the sense कोर्ट तक उन्हें confirm होती फाइ then of course रखा तेरे कुम आमूर हमारा रशुगा और में cases ताऊ को हम copy ही फैगन दांचे ने report करा एती violate कोरी माँ असु लोग mandate कोरे तो बाला इरुका I may recall I don't think this is an enemy nasun sida bayan kure hainge for no I think FPA for no way karna hai it's really bad of me I don't know why I don't remember this but I'll check it me I don't think it is there because air wara koda meet muscle border game along immediate shena bahaka deke no family court versus bahaka deke and then we said asumi game rangalogotiki survival fasela kotin and again why don't you start sending copies FPA Shah gender ministry Shah police ever the 44 ga spone for copy phone on jana what as lawyers we can do is to contribute on the development of I think lawyers can also play a role through activism and in the sense that me and comment kuro me bill taka me bill ekar islahoge bill tan eklawalo ma me maseke kodino ekal initiation em saga let's say bar council on me reform committee to kokura kamapana me these are certain things and lawyers can do as well me and also help if you're interested me area the help pura a help for kodino and so me anduge lecture ge mmagad maqsad ki interest shaw very ane kam honna be fulonna me commissar ka system ki adi ane just basics aso me ki adi no me lo work pura gota me gore challenges and me gore unikam kama and agal kore dan kam kama ege commissar ke picture edeno and I think it's very important kane amako me practice ka ule do me ingeni ane me qaanunen implement kurumuga me hunna datita ka asu e qaanuunu ane create kura nizam maseke kura gota mirakan ka mingeni wara boda ule gen kane and I think rajyaga lawyers ane me baki dairata ko ane me egota maseke koffa tajribaga aliga dassefo hunnakan kamwani kanne kiyaden me with the fraternity so me kom esu ege me general rule laki haluga ulegen gana theligen etan ahareka ulegenne de mosasa dasku sorry as in like mul system dasku rashe and learn how the system functions. And as a system function, you become a better lawyer. So I think when Bar Council approached to me and lecture Algon game color me it's comment in priority in key just to share a knowledge the experience with you all.
උස්තාද අලුණු වර කුඩ කුඩ සුවාගෙන් එවෙන්
ආදත් විදාලේ
මිහාරු ගාග්ගණක අශාර වරක ගෙවෂියනියාග රාජ්‍යයේ කීක තෆාතන්දන අලුණු යමුරුග මසක්ක කොෆේ බොහරි එන්නම සලුණ කබුදු කුරේග තලුණ දිමාවි එම්ම බොඩේ මස්සලේක දිමාවි මේ ලෝයරුන්ගේ ඉෂුව නූමීගේ දිමාවි හගීගතුග අලුණුග තජරිබාගාදී අලුණු විස්නාදාරුග මීගේ ඉෂුව තම යන්නනි මෝලිස් පොලිස් සයිස්ගේ ෆරාතුන් ජෙන්ඩා මිනිස්ට්‍රීගේ ෆරාතුන් කෝටුගේ ෆරාතුන් අලුණු එබුහරි මීහකන් අනියාදී දලුණු නංහාම කුරාක බේණුමන මීහකන් අනියා ලිබිගෙන් ඉඳගෙන් උලේ මී ලිබිගෙන් ඒන විවාහකේ වරබොඩ තියනියාතක කුග්ගන් කෝටෙද්දී ඒරුගස් ඒන රීච්චන් එහාදි සෑව කියාද ඒනක මම්මයව කියාද එකම කෝටුන් නිම්මාදී මම්මයා දරියා දක්කා වාහකේ ගබුදෙන්න කුරවෙ නෙම්ම ෆොන් අමුරෙන් නෙරෙනුදී අදී බොරි ආවරු මිකාල මසත එමෙ මාළුගොන්න මිබුනාච්චකි රාජ අලුගුණ ගබුදු කුරා ගොතුගා බා කවුන්සිලු මිකහල මේ බා කවුන්සිල අලුගුණ බෑවරු ශක්වාතක නිය බොරි කොම අලුගුණ නැති මිතාගේ වාහක දක්කාක එකම බා කවුන්සිලු එකහල ෆෝරම් වෙජ්ජක අලුගුණ ශක්වාත බා කවුන්සිල බස් දානේ ඒක අලුගුණනේ මේ lecture සුවරම් මුහිම lecture එක අලුගුණ ගබුදු කුරා නවහම වරබොඩ ශුකුරු වෙරිය මිකාද මේ ෆෝරම් එක බෑවරිය අඩුවහන් දිබුනික එකම අලුගුණ ගබුදු කුරා ගොතුගා මිකමුග තංකොල බොඩ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಕೊರೆಮೆನಿ ಬಾ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ನಗಾಗ ಮಿಕಮುಗ ಹಗೀಗತುಗ ಅಮಲಿ ಮೈದಾನುಗ ಉಳೆ ಮೀಹುನ್ನ ಅಳುಗೊಂಡು ಮೆನ್ನ ಮಿ ಮಗು ಫೈಕೊದ್ದೇನೆ ಕಹದ ಇಂತಿಜಾಮನ್ ಹಮಜಸ್ಸಾದಿನು ಏರು ಮೀಗ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಳುಗೊಂಡು ಮಿತಿ ಹಮೇಕ ನಡುವ ಹಬೈಗಿ ಗೊತುಗ ಕೋಟಕ್ ಗೊಸ್ಗಾಳು ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ವಾಹಕೆ ದೆಕ್ಕಿಯಸಸ್ ಏ ನಡುವ ಹಾಣ ಬೀರು ಕಂಫೆಂಗ್ ಎಮಿ ಹುಂದೆನೆ ಎಮಿ ಹುಣ್ಣುಂತು ಎವಿ ಆ ಬೊಡ ಕುರಂ ವೇಳಗೊಂಡು ಮಿ ಬುಣಂಗುಳೆ ವಾಹಕೆ
ಮೀ රක්කාතරකුම්ගේ අමුර ඒ කොම්මේ හාතෙක මේ නෙරදේ නේ අපද කොම්මේ ෆාර්ක ඇප්ලයි කරාට කොමෙන් නෙරදේ which is true also I mentioned tankole me gentle kokkanne alwada punewune me ekamane I'm very strong I have a very strong view about this court take sensitize and no rakkaතරකුම් අමුර නෙරදේ ekashe emi honnaka me gina find me gina gazi naka understand and no me kina wa kamekkame me hasa gaanune kame as procedures takame me honne ki special protection ekame me deveni kiye they don't understand ehma me dennevi e kurimis paapuru gota aili masata gotuka hallu kofa me sulha kura masekke kure by magistrate court tawgeves and ane issue naga fonnane ki judicial conferences tawgeves and yes ane halda me PO එකන් ඒ දෙකම ෆරක් PO ඉන්වෙස්ට් නේරද and me දෙන විවරකින challenges තංගස්සෝ ඒ වර බොඩ discretion quarterly with and really they don't understand as a survivor situation I think they need sensitization as gender violence gender based violence ki ko bato geveshana ki ko bato mi ganun anna mi jeni ki veto by fund yalun ebore me by gazing ebore jamiyat kun trainings arrange ko for me invitation denima me බ්‍රද්දෙක් ගොතුග මේ විදාල ෆමියස ඉස්ලාම් දෙන් හොද්ද නුකුරා ගානුනේ කිකෙවෂිනා හොට්ටුග ගානුනේ මිකාලා අනේ මේ බයිකාලා කොමෙන්ට්ස් සෙබෝරේ මේ දිවි ෆාර්මන එකන් එක්ක ජමියාතුකුම් හිස්සා කො ෆෙබෝරේ එම වර කම්බඩු එදතෝ එම එබෙන්ගේ බලා නුගන්නකන් ගිනා මේ කෝට් තකුන්නේ මේ ගිනා ගාසින්නේ මේ ගානුනසු so yes වර challenging and me as me sensitization board බේනුමනේ and justice sector law enforcement officials I think I've answered kan emal bolna sawal mura performance warabada shukriya aayenge to Thursday then weekend fishe duwa hoga yagana ka me ane tihagina wagutte be mami
ade shukriya al ustaza Shafia ಮಿಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಗ ಬ್ಯಾರೆ ವಡಾಗಣ್ಣೆ ಹುರಿಯಾ ಕಾನೂನಿ ವಕೀಲುನಶ ದರಿಬರುಂ ವೆಸ್ ಗೆವೆಶಿಯಾಣಿಯಾ ಹುಟ್ಟುಂಗ ಕಾನೂನ ಬೆಹಗಿನ ಮಾಲೂಮಾತ್ತಕೆ ಲಿಬ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂಗಚ್ಚ ಕಮ್ಮಂ ಉಮ್ಮೀದ್ ಕುರಂ ಮಿಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ನಂಗವಾದೆವ್ವ ಮಿ ಮೌಲುವ ಕುಳೆಗಿನ ಮುಹಿಮು ಮಾಲೂಮಾತ್ತಕೆ ಅಳ್ಗೊಂಡ್ ಮೆಂಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾವರಿನ್ ನಾಯಕು ಹಿಸ್ಸಾ ಕೊದ್ದೆವಿ ಕಮಟ್ಟಕ ಅಲುಸ್ತಾಜ ಶಫಿಯಾ ರಿಜಾ ವರಂ ಹಾಸ ಶುಕುರೆ ದಣ್ಣವಂ ಅತಿ ಮಿಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಡುವೆ ಹುಮ ವಗುತು ಹುಸ್ಕುರವ್ವಾಗೆನ್ ಬ್ಯಾರೆ ವಡಾಗಣ್ಣೆವಿ ಎಮ್ಮೆಹಾ ಫರಾತಕ ವೆಸ್ ಎಹಾಮೆ ಹಾಸ ಶುಕುರೆ ದಣ್ಣವಂ mi councilge aamu memberunge ehi terikamayaku mifadagina lecture take kuriyan etthanugaves intizam kurevegen danekam yaginkan aruwamu මියතුගේ සෙෂන් මිහා ඉසාබුන් කුරු කොල්ලාන ශුක්‍රියා වස්සලාමු අලයිකුම්
Thank you.
Wa alaikum assalam.